HP has two new Chromebooks made for surviving life at the office or life at school. The 14-inch G5 and 11.6-inch G6 both feature Intel Celeron processors, up to 8 gigs of memory, and storage up to 64 gigs, which is enough to run Google's browser-based OS, and there's support for web and Android apps, so you can do much more than just browse the web with these. Each is available with HD IPS touchscreens that fold back 180 degrees for those times when a group needs to huddle around the screen. Around the sides you'll find USB-C ports for accessories and external displays, and they're used for charging the laptops too. Dressed in gray plastic, the bodies are built to mil-spec 810G standards so they can handle life being passed around from user to user, in addition to minor spills and drops. Pricing is still being worked out, but you should be able to find them in February.